me, Sissy. I'm going to show you today how I'm making my cookie trays this year. I've had a bad case of bronchitis, so I did not get my baking done that I wanted to do. But I do have a lot of store-bought cookies, so I'm going to show you how I'm putting my trays together. I have these really cute white trays that had this fluted edge. I found these at the Dollar Tree earlier in the year. I don't know if they still have them. And I just laced this ribbon, Christmas ribbon, through the little fluted edges. So I thought that decorated or made it a little more fancy. But I'm going to adjust the camera down and show you how I'm going to put my store-bought cookies on this tray. So I've got my my trays, and then I have some assorted cupcake liners, and I like to put my cookies in those and spread them out on the tray. And I just bought an assortment of cookies. We went to shopping, and several places, Aldi, Trader Joe's, Lidl's, they all have different cookies, and Dollar Tree has some very nice cookies. So I just bought an assortment of nice cookies, different flavors, different varieties, so I can make up my trays. Now, you might recognize these cookies. These are from Dollar Tree. These are good. They're almondettes. They're really good. So I just make a little stack in my paper. And then these are from Dollar Tree also. These are the mint, I don't know, what are these called? These are called fudge mint cookies. They're kind of oven baked brand. They taste kind of like Girl Scout cookies, but these are really good. And at Trader Joe's they had these little panettones. I think that's how you say it, panettone or something like that. But I'm just going to include one of those on my tray. And then I have a little goodie bag. This has Chex Mix in it. My sister makes Chex Mix every year, so that's that. And then this is some Chex Mix I bought. This is, hush baby, it's my pup barking. This is the Indulgent Turtle Chex Mix. So I'm just going to put that on there. And then we're just going to fill it up the rest of the way with some cookies. And these are just cupcake liners. I like the foil ones. I think they're prettier. These are some sort of European shortbread cookie with caramel on the back. I got these at Trader Joe's. And of course I had to taste test all these cookies, so they're all really, really good. Okay, and this is some sort of chocolate, kind of like chocolate and marzipan with nonpareils on it. It's not, you would think it would be really sweet, but it's not overly sweet. Okay, and then these are gingerbread Father Christmases. These are some kind of European shortbread, and they have milk chocolate on them. And I just kind of spread out my cupcake liners to fit my cookies. And now these are gingerbread pretzels, hearts, and stars, and it's a soft gingerbread, and it has it's got dark chocolate on it. And I've got some of these are chocolate chip coconut cocoa meringues. And I got these at Lidl's, I think. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. They smell so good. Now, I have not tried these yet. Usually I make meringues, but I'm just not up to it this year. And I'm just going to put 3 in there. And I have the cocoa ones, and then I have the vanilla ones also, so I'm going to add some of those. And you can make a nice cookie tray. Hush, babies. Just using all cookies from Dollar Tree. They have several shortbread cookies there that are really nice. And the almondettes are nice. One or two that I have gotten from there before are kind of on the hard side. And not in, I don't mean crunchy hard, I mean hard. You can't hardly bite them. And I also have this little bag of Muddy Buddies peanut butter and chocolate Chex Mix. I'm going to include that too. I'm just going to tuck it here in the back. And I got that at Dollar Tree. And these are really good. These are the Always Delicious European Cookies Classic Shortbread. And I believe they have some lemon flavored ones also, but I didn't see any when I was in there the other day. So I'm just going to put some of these. And if you wanted to embellish these even further, you could take these and dip these in some white chocolate and put some sprinkles on them, and that would be really cute and would dress it up a lot. Excuse me. And let's see what else. These are gingerbread hearts. It's kind of like a marshmallow, a gingerbread cookie with marshmallow on top and then covered in chocolate. And then I have room right there for these little hazelnut mini cookies. And all these cookies that I got were all on sale because, you know, it's getting close to Christmas, so they're kind of marking things down. But they're perfectly good. They're not nowhere near their expiration date. I guess they just don't want to be stuck with a lot of cookies. Room for one more cookie right in there. And let's see what kind that I have. I have these little almond crescent cookies. No cookie tray would be complete without some candy canes. So I always have to include some little mini candy canes on my cookie tray. And when I have my tray finished, you can just wrap it in saran wrap if you want, but I do have the basket bags from Dollar Tree. They did have some holiday ones. I did not get any, so I had to take what they had left. I think these are huge, but we're going to make it work. Take my gloves off to get the bag open. I'm just going to scoop the bag under my tray. And I'm going to tie this off with a ribbon and cut some of this excess off, and then my cookie tray will be done. We'll be right back. So we're just going to take our bag and put a piece of tape. And the corners here, I don't like when they poke up like that, so I'm just going to fold them over and tape them to the bottom. And all you got to do is just slide your tray to the edge of the table. And that way you don't have to pick it up and risk disturbing all your cookies. And then we want to cut a little of this off the top here. Fluff it out a little bit, and then I have some really pretty ribbon. We're just going to tie a bow on here and then put a little tag, and our tray will be ready. This is some ribbon I got at Walmart. It's some nice wide silver ribbon, wired. Loop, go around. Tails. We're just going to add a tag. And there we have it.